Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video guys, I'm going to share with you my exercise for body, and this is hip squat or lower squat. Nakulaan mo sa labas guys kasi hindi ko sinigil. Ulit-ulitin lang guys. Nakakainit kasi dito guys, ang pinakalibangan ko lang talaga pag mainit ako, maluntok ako, ay exercise ko kaya mag-invent. Pang-upload ko na rin. Ulit lang pose na natin yan. Nangalay ako. Okay guys, nangalay na ako. Thank you so much for watching and please follow me. I'll see you in my next exercise.